this is our for Z sub 3. It's just the same. So always remember, if this is the C sub 3, we just need to form it with the additional elements. So for example here, P star C, then Ma2 star C. So it is for the right coset, and for the left coset, just we will just start with our addition, or with our new element. So it will start as C star P, then C star Ma2. For our Z sub 10, or our subgroup that has 8 elements, so for our right coset, so here, since we have 8 elements, the results will be the remaining 8 elements, because we have 16 elements. Because we're just going to add them. So if we're going to add them, so P star P2, so they are just the same. Because if we're going to write them all of them one by one, so it's time consuming. That is why we have here, or to simplify it. So if it's divides, or if our elements divides by 2, for example, we have 16 and our subgroup is 8. So we're just going to write the remaining elements. So if our example, if our elements is 8 and then our subgroup is 4, the remaining 4 is our cosets. Okay, so here is for the right coset, and here is for the left coset. Okay, so as you can see here on the example, like P2, P2 star P, then P2 star C, P2 star BA, P2 star L, P2 star MO, P2 star N, then P2 star BU, P2 star MA. So it's just equal to P2, Ma2, Bu2, N2, Mo2, L2, Ba2, and C22. And then if we're going to add like Ma2 star P, Ma2 star C, it will be still the same, but it has a different order. But technically, it's just the same, because here the order doesn't matter. Okay, for here, for our subgroup that has 4 elements, we have here, okay, for Z sub 11 star C, so P sub star C, MO star C, P2 star C, MO2 star C, so it is equal to C and MA 2L2. Okay, so then we're just going to follow the next, or the order of the remaining for C, then PA, then L, then N, then PU, MA, then MA2, PU2, N2, L2, PA2, and C2, then we're going to get these results. For our left coset, so we're just going to start first with our new, or the addition of our elements. For C star Z11 or sub 11, so it will be C star P, C star MO, C star P2, C star MO2. It will be equal to C and MA2 L2. So it's just the same with our right coset. Trivial subgroup, of course, it's the identity element. So whatever you operates to the identity element is the answer itself. So P, a Z sub 12 a star P is P, C, a Z sub 12 is C, is equal to C, then BA. So it will be the same for right and left coset. Summarize it, we can conclude that all subgroups are normal since their left and right cosets are the same. Okay, so now let's proceed to our group isomorphism. So I just wrote here the summary of the group isomorphism. So here is the table. So I have here the subgroup and then the order and then the structure. And then if it's isomorphic to modulo 1, integers modulo 1, integers modulo 2, modulo 4, and so on. So for our Z sub 12, okay, here is our C sub 12. It's equal to P, so it must be here order 1, and then trivial, is it's trivial, the structure is trivial, and then it's isomorphic to integers modulo 1. So here it will just form. So this Z12 is here, and then Z2 is here, then Z3 is here. Okay, so it's just the same. They are just the same. So as you can see, all subgroup that has two elements are cyclic, and then they are isomorphic to integers modulo 2. So that is the summary. And then for our first subgroup that has four elements, which is the P, then MO, then P2, and MO2. So for first one, this is a cyclic subgroup. So it means it's isomorphic to Z or integers modulo 4 for our Z sub 11. For our Z sub 14, we have P, BA, MO, PU. So it's Klein 4 group. The structure is Klein 4 group. It means that the identity element is itself. Okay, so it's isomorphic to integers modulo 2 multiplied by integers modulo 2. Okay, so to summarize our group or our table, so it has a cyclic subgroups of orders, and then there is no cyclic subgroups of orders 8 or with elements 8 or 16 since the full group is non-cyclic. It's non-abelian structure as well. The full groups or with the 16 elements, it's non-abelian, and we have a Klein 4 group or it's present on our subgroup. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for listening.